What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here with Liquidation Pros, and in this video I'm hopefully going to save you $149 because that's what Verizon just charged me to send a technician out for about 2 minutes worth of work. So let me show you. If you are upgrading to the newer gigabit high-speed internet and you have an old router, they're going to try to sell you on the newer model router, but it has to have an Ethernet connection. Well, they told me that the technician had to come out because they need to run a cable, because I had already bought the router used off of eBay for more than half the price what they were trying to sell it for. So they sell it for $200 or $10 rental a month, and I was able to get it for $70. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, here we are. This is actually like my little eBay shipping area. So it's a little bit of it's actually not as messy as it looks because a lot of this is like scrap shipping supplies. Anyhow, this is the newer router that I got. It's the Gateway. What's the model on that? Fios G1100. So the 1100. This was the older model that I had, and basically this one only went through a coax cable, so you can't get the higher speed. There's certain newer laptops won't hook up to that one. So with this new router, you can get higher. You need to send a technician out. Now let me show you real quick. This is my bill, and it's on the computer, so it might not look great, but I highlighted this one-time charge. That is for installation, okay? $149. So my bill should be around $75 a month, and that's for internet only. And check that out, $228 because of that $150 charge. Now, what they did for $150 is the guy came in. He said, first of all, he said, "Are you kidding me?" And the reason he said that is because the box is right here and the router is right here. So he literally opened this up, undid this screw, which I loosened up to show you guys, plugged an Ethernet cable in, that port right there for the Ethernet. He ran it up, over that pipe, down around that wire, and he brought it down and plugged it into the bottom of the router. And that was it. Took him literally 2 minutes. He said, you know, I should call and file a complaint because I was trying to do this myself and they really wouldn't give me the information I needed to actually hook that cable up. It's something I could easily do, but I felt like I couldn't find that information out, so maybe someone can find this video and they'll save this $150 charge. All you have to do is plug in an Ethernet cable. You need to figure out how far your box is from your router, and then buy that length cable. Obviously take into account the fact that you want to run it, you know, above the wall or wherever you need to run it. But I guess they probably do get a lot of people where they need to run that cable through you know, closed area. Like they might have to fish it through different areas to get to the router. But in this case, it was like literally a 2-minute job. So I need to call them up and complain and see if I can get a credit back, at least try to get half of it back. I'll update down in the comments, or I'll put it in the description of the video after I call them up, and we'll see what we can find out. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're upgrading your router to an Ethernet connection, it's a simple plug and play. You will need to call Verizon though, because through his app he was able to make the change from the coaxial router, and they have to turn that Ethernet port on. So make sure you call Verizon. The number is on the box, so it's right here. There's the information. You just call them up. The technician is super nice. He's like, yeah, all you would have to do is call and tell him to turn on your Ethernet port. So once again, my name is Dan with Liquidation Pros, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.